Good morning, Miss.
Good morning. All of you, please turn on your videos.
Good morning.
Good morning. Please take your English textbook.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning. All of you, please turn on your videos. Take your English textbook.
What do you say?
Okay. You can type your attendance now. Please type your attendance. Okay. Take page number 33. Page
Good
number.
morning, Miss.
Good morning. Sri Vishnu, Vasudev, Joel, please turn on your videos.
Miss, book
Okay. Make it fast. Okay, shall we start? Our new lesson.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, our new lesson, fifth lesson. The Prince Who Loved Books. Okay. It is written by Nilima Singha. You can see the profile of Nilima Singha in backside of your textbook. Nilima Singha. Okay, page number 132. Nilima Singha is one of India's leading children's writers. She has won several awards for her books. Some of her famous works include The Chandipur Jewels, The Adventure
Miss,
on
page number ഒന്ന് കേട്ടിരുന്നു പറയോ?
page number 132. Adventure on the Golden Lake, Adventure Before Midnight, The Yellow Butterfly, People Who Made History and Saved the Earth. Okay. This is a short profile about the author Nilima Singha. Nilima Singha is a short story writer. She mainly deals with the children's writing. Okay. These are some important works by Nilima Singha. Chandipur Jewels, Adventure on the Golden Lake, Adventure Before Midnight, The Yellow Butterfly, People Who Made History and Saved the Earth. Okay, these are some of her works. Okay, now you can take page number 33. Back to our lesson. The Prince Who Loved Books. Okay, shall we start the story?
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Please listen carefully. Dara gazed at the reflection of the palace walls in the placid waters of the lake. He wished they could stay forever at Gal Mahal in the middle of the lake at Udaipur. For years, his family had led a nomadic existence, traveling north, south, east, and west, pursued by Emperor Jahangir's soldiers. For his father, Prince Khurram had rebelled against the emperor. Okay, here we are speaking about Dara. Dara is the central character or the main character of this story, the prince who loved books. Here the prince stands for Dara. Name of the prince is Dara. Okay. Dara is the name of the prince. Please listen carefully. Dara gazed at the reflection of the palace walls in the placid waters of the lake. Gazed means looked. Okay. Gazed, looked. Gazed means looked. Dara looked at the reflection of the palace walls in the placid. Placid means calm. Calm. Okay. C-A-L-M, calm. Waters of the lake. So we can say that the palace where this Prince Dara lives is near a lake, isn't it? So he can see the reflection of the palace wall in that calm water. Okay. Is it clear? The palace is near a lake. So the King Dara can see the reflection of the walls of that palace in the water of that lake. Okay. This is the meaning of the first sentence of the story. Any doubt?
No, miss.
No.
Okay. Aradhya, Vasudev, Aromal, please turn on your videos. All of you, please turn on your videos. Then, next one. He wished they could stay forever at Gul Mahal in the middle of the lake at Udaipur. Okay, you can pronounce it as Gul Mahal or Gal Mahal. Okay, that is, he wished they could stay for at Gul Mahal in the middle of the lake at Udaipur. This means name of their palace. Name of the palace in which they live is Gul Mahal. And this Gul Mahal is situated in the middle of the lake at Udaipur. Udaipur is a city in Rajasthan. Okay. Here, the palace of Dara, that is Gul Mahal. Gul Mahal is situated in the middle of the lake at Udaipur. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes.
Miss.
Then, 4 years his family had. Yes, we want to include one more point. This Prince Dara wished to live there forever. He wants to live in that palace forever. Throughout his life, he wants to stay in that place. Okay. 4 years, his family had led their nomadic existence. Nomadic existence means you can see the meaning. A life of moving from place to place. Yes. The family of Dara. Dara is 4 years. They are moving from one place to another. Okay. Their life is a nomadic life. That means they are moving their place from year to year. Okay. There will be some reason for that. We can see what is the reason behind it. Traveling north, south, east, and west. That means they are traveling all around that places. Okay. East, south, north, east, and west. Okay. Pursued by Emperor Jahangir's soldiers. For his father, Prince Khurram had rebelled against the emperor. They are moving from one place to another because Dara's father is Prince Khurram. Prince Khurram rebelled against the emperor. Emperor Jahangir. Okay. Emperor means emperor. Chakravarti nu parayile. Emperor.
Sir.
Yes. Ashwin, page number 33. Then, yes, they are moving from one place to another because they are chased. Pursued means chased. They are chased by the soldiers of Emperor Jahangir. Okay. Because this Dara's father, Prince Khurram, rebelled. Rebelled means you can see the meaning of rebelled. Refused to obey an authority. Okay. Dara's father, Prince Khurram, was not ready to obey the Emperor Jahangir. So, Jahangir's soldiers followed this family. Okay. So they moved from one place to another in order to escape from these soldiers. Is it clear? Okay. Once more, I will summarize the paragraph. Dara. Prince Dara is the central character of this story, the prince who loved books. Okay. Now he is living in Gul Mahal. This Gul Mahal is situated in the middle of a lake. Okay. That is in Udaipur. Udaipur is a city in Rajasthan. And 4 years, from years, this family is moving from one place to another. There is a reason behind this because the father of Dara, that is Prince Khurram. Prince Khurram is not ready to obey the rules by whom? Obey the rules by
Jahangir.
Yes, Emperor Jahangir. Yes, very good. Emperor Jahangir. So they are moving from one place to another in order to escape from the soldiers of Emperor Jahangir. This is the summary of the first paragraph. Any doubt? Anybody?
No, miss.
No.
No doubt here.
Okay. Then next one. Please listen carefully. I am tired of moving from place to place. 11-year-old Dara told his brother Aurangzeb. Okay. I am tired of moving from place to place. 11-year-old Dara told his brother Aurangzeb. Now we will get the age of Dara. What is the age of Dara?
11.
Yes.
11 years.
11 years old.
Yes, very good. Dara is 11 years old. And who is the brother of Dara? Brother of Dara?
Aurangzeb.
Aurangzeb. Okay, Aurangzeb. Very good. Aurangzeb is the brother of Dara and Dara is 11 years old. Here, Dara is speaking to Aurangzeb. He says that I am tired of moving from place to place. Here, Dara says that he was tired of moving from place to place. We have already said that they are moving from place to place because they are chased by the soldiers of Emperor Jahangir. So, this Dara says that he is tired. He is tired of moving from one place to another. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. Next one. Yes. But it is exciting, exclaimed Aurangzeb, age 8. But in the case of Aurangzeb, it was so exciting for him to move from one place to another. Okay. In the case of Dara, he was tired. But in the case of Aurangzeb, who is 8 years old, is excited to move from one place to another. Okay, this shows that these two children are extremely different in character, isn't it? One is tired of moving from one place to another, and the 8-year-old Aurangzeb is not tired. Okay, he is excited to move from one place to another. The next one, please listen carefully. I am happy to stay here at the palace, murmured Dara. But his brother was off again, chasing a peacock in the Rana's garden. Dara knew that his father, Prince Puram, and mother, Arjumand Banu, were safe under the protection of Rana Karan Singh of Mewar. Life was comfortable at the Rana's palace, and what fun it had been to celebrate Holi, the colorful festival, with his Rajput relatives. Okay, here you can see, I am happy to stay here at the palace. Who says this? Who is happy to stay this palace? Gul Mahal. Yes.
Dara.
Dara says that he is happy to stay in this palace. Murmured Dara. Murmured means speaking in a low voice. But his brother was off again, chasing a peacock in the Rana's garden. Brother means Aurangzeb, but now Aurangzeb starts again. Aurangzeb came to speak something with this Dara. Now he again starts. Off again means starts again, chasing a peacock in the Rana's garden. Rana means, you can see the meaning of Rana. That is Maharana Karan Singh of the Sisodia Rajput dynasty. Okay. He is here. Rana is the ruler of that place in which this family now lives. Okay. We have said that they are moving from one place to another. And here, Rana Maharana Karan Singh of the Sisodia Rajput dynasty. Dynasty എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? രാജവംശം എന്ന് കേട്ടിട്ടില്ലേ? രാജ്പുത് ഡൈനാസ്റ്റിയിലുള്ള മഹാറാണ കരൺ സിംഗ് ആണ് ഇപ്പോൾ എന്താണ് അവിടുത്തെ റൂളർ. അവിടെയാണ് ഇപ്പൊ അവർ സ്റ്റേ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ദിസ് Dara wished to live there forever, and this Aurangzeb chasing a peacock. That means he is running behind a peacock. Okay, in that garden, he says something to Dara, and he continued to chase peacock in that garden. Then Dara knew that his father, Prince Khurram, and mother Arjumand Banu were safe under the protection of Rana Karan Singh of Mewar. Yes, Dara knew that his father, name of the father is Prince Khurram. Okay, name of Dara's father is Prince Khurram, and Dara's mother Arjumand Banu. Arjumand Banu is the name of Dara's mother. And this Dara knows that this her father and mother are safe under whom? Safe under the rule of this
Rana Karan Singh of Mewar.
Yes, Rana Karan Singh of Mewar. Life was comfortable at the Rana's palace. Yes, they are comfortable in the palace of Rana. And what fun it had been to celebrate Holi, the colorful festival, with his Rajput relatives. Yes, he enjoys every moment in that palace, with that Rajput relatives. According to Dara, it is very fun to celebrate Holi with this Rajput family, Rajput relatives. Okay. Is it clear?
Clear, miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes. Joel, Vasudev, please turn on your videos. All of you, please turn on your videos. Okay. Then next one. But the pleasant days did not last for long. Prince Khurram could stay at Udaipur for only 4 months before he had to move again. This time he traveled to the Deccan. After several unsuccessful attempts to garner support in the Deccan, Prince Khurram finally decided to make peace with his father. He sent a message to the emperor and soon received his reply. Okay, let's discuss it. But the pleasant days did not last for long. We have already said that their life was comfortable with Rana family. But now the situation had changed. Okay, the pleasant days did not last for days. That means the happy days did not last for long. The happy days end. Prince Khurram could stay at Udaipur for only 4 months before he had to move again. Yes, they stayed in that place for only 4 months. They want to move from that place. Okay, what will be the reason? Because they are
Things are changing.
yes, because they may be chased by the emperor's soldiers. Okay. This time he traveled to the Deccan. Yes, from this Gulmahal, they traveled to Deccan. Deccan. After several unsuccessful attempts to garner support in the Deccan, Prince Khurram finally decided to make peace with his father. Okay. After several unsuccessful attempts to garner support means obtain support with difficulty. They moved to Deccan and they tried to get support from somebody, but they didn't get support from anywhere. Okay. So Prince Khurram finally decided to make peace with his father. Who will be the father of Prince Khurram? Any guess?
Jahangir.
Emperor Jahangir.
Yes, very good. Emperor Jahangir is the father of Prince Khurram. He rebelled against Emperor Jahangir and moved from that palace. Okay, now this Prince Khurram is decided to make peace with his father. Now he is ready to go back to his father because they can't survive without the help of this Emperor Jahangir because the soldiers are always chased them in every place. In every place they move, the soldiers are chased this Prince Khurram and his family. So Prince Khurram decided to make peace with with his father. He sent a message to the emperor and soon received his reply. So Prince Khurram sent a message to whom? Message to
Emperor Jahangir.
Emperor Jahangir.
yes, Emperor Jahangir. He sent a message to Emperor Jahangir and he got a soon reply. Okay. Fast reply. He received a fast reply from Emperor Jahangir. Okay. Turn your page, page number 34. Emperor Jahangir is merciful and kind. He forgives Prince Khurram for the revolt against him, was the messenger's report. But there are some conditions. Prince Khurram must surrender the forts he has occupied, and here the messenger paused and took a deep breath. Okay. Then Emperor Jahangir is merciful and kind. That means father of Prince Khurram was merciful and kind. So he forgives Prince Khurram for the revolt against him. So he was ready to forgive to his son. Okay. So Emperor Jahangir forgives Prince Khurram for the revolt. Revolt means rebel against him. Was the messenger's report. That was the message. Father was ready to forgive to Prince Khurram. That was the message by Emperor Jahangir. Okay. Then, but there are some conditions. But this Emperor Jahangir put forward some conditions. What was the conditions? You can see the conditions. But there are some conditions. Prince Khurram must surrender the force he has occupied. Here the messenger paused and took a deep breath. Okay. First condition is that Prince Khurram must surrender the force he has occupied. That means in the hands of this Prince Khurram, there will be some force. There will be some power of some force. Okay. So he should surrender before this Emperor Jahangir, and then the messenger made a pause. Messenger made a stop there. Okay. He want to say something more. So after saying this, he made a pause. And Prince Khurram prompted anxiously. And Prince Khurram is eager to know the things. So Prince Khurram prompted anxiously. Prompted means encouraged to say something. That means Prince Khurram asked that messenger, and he's curious to know what is the next condition. Okay. There are some more conditions. So this Prince Khurram wants to know what is the condition. The presence of the two princes, Dara and Aurangzeb, is required at the court. They will be educated there under the emperor's guardianship. Yes. The second condition is, what was the second condition? The presence of the two princes, Dara and Aurangzeb, is required at the court. Yes. The Emperor Jahangir wants the presence of two princes, that is Dara and Aurangzeb, in the court of Emperor Jahangir. For what? He wanted to educate these children, educate this Dara and Aurangzeb. Okay, King Jahangir wanted to educate this Dara and Aurangzeb. So the King Jahangir made the condition that these two princes is required to be present at the court, and they will be educated there under the emperor's guardianship. Their guardian will be the emperor. Okay, not Prince Khurram. Their guardian will be Emperor Jahangir in order to give them good education. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Payal, is it clear? Jiva, please turn on your video. Then next one. Shocked Dara stared at his father. Surely he would not allow his sons to be taken away from him. Prince Khurram was silent for a few minutes. Okay. Dara was shocked by hearing this. Why was Dara shocked?
പഠിക്കാൻ കൊണ്ടുപോകുന്നു പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട്.
Yes, that means they will be separate from their parents. Okay, they should be under the control of Emperor Jahangir. Okay, so Dara was shocked. They want to move from their father's custody and they will be under the guardianship of Emperor Jahangir. So Dara was shocked and stared at his father. Stared means looked towards his father, Prince Khurram. Surely he would not allow his sons to be taken away from him. Yes, Dara thinks that his father, Prince Guram, will not allow his sons to be taken away from him. That was the belief of Dara. Okay, Dara believes that his father will not allow them to separate from his parents. Okay, separate these children, Dara and Aurangzeb from their parents. But what was happened? We can see Prince Guram was silent for a few moments. After hearing these conditions, Prince Guram, that is their father was silent for a few minutes. He was silent for a few minutes. Then, I bow to the Badshah's command. He finally murmured. Yes. What was this final decision? He bowed. I bow means I agree. I agree to Badshah's command. Badshah. You can see the meaning of Badshah. A Persian word meaning king or emperor. Okay. Badshah is a Persian word which means king. Okay. Here, this Prince Guram is agreeing with the command of Badshah, that is Emperor Jahangir. He finally murmured. Finally murmured means speak in a low voice. The next one. Dara's eyes filled with tears. Dara's eyes filled with tears. Aurangzeb was too excited to care about the party. Dara knew his little brother was happy that they were going to live in the palace at Agra, sure to be 10 times grander than the beautiful Gul Mahal at Udaipur. Okay. What was the condition of Dara? Dara's eyes filled with tears. Okay, that means Dara is happy or sad?
Sad.
Yes.
Very sad.
Sad.
Dara is sad. Dara's eyes filled with tears. But in the case of Aurangzeb, Aurangzeb was too excited to care about the parting. Parting means leaving that place. Okay. Aurangzeb was very excited. The condition of Aurangzeb was different. He was excited to move from that place. Okay. In the case of Dara was very sad, but Aurangzeb was excited to move from that place because Dara knew his little brother was happy that they were going to live in the palace at Agra, sure to be 10 times grander than the beautiful Gal Mahal at Udaipur. Okay, then Dara knew that little brother was happy because they were going to live in the palace at Agra. They are now moving to Agra Palace. അവർ കൊട്ടാരത്തിലേക്കാണ് പോകുന്നത് ഇനിയിപ്പോ. So this Aurangzeb is very happy, and in that palace they are sure that it will be 10 times grander than the beautiful Gul Mahal at Udaipur. ഉദയ്പൂരിലെ ഗുൽ മഹലിനേക്കാളും ഒരുപാട് കൂടുതൽ ഗ്രാൻഡ് ആയിരിക്കും. റിച്ച് ലൈഫ്. They can live a rich life in that palace. These children know that very much. So Aurangzeb is very much excited, and this Dara is very sad because he wants to stay in that Gul Mahal. Okay, is it clear?
Clear, miss.
Yes.
Then let's revise. First one, where was Gul Mahal situated? Where was Udaipur? And you can see the correct answer.
In the middle of the lake at Udaipur.
Yes, this Gul Mahal situated in the middle of the lake at Udaipur. You can see page number 33. You can see it in the first paragraph. Gul Mahal in the middle of the lake at the Udaipur. Okay, did you see that? Yes. Next one. Where did Prince Khurram decided to make peace with, sorry, not where. When did Prince Khurram decide to make peace with his father? When did? When did Prince Khurram decided to make peace with his father?
അവരെ സോൾജേഴ്സ് എല്ലാം ചേസ് ചെയ്യാൻ തുടങ്ങിയപ്പോ
Yes.
ചേച്ചിയിൽ കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച 4 മാസത്തിനുള്ളിൽ അവർ എത്തുന്നിട്ട്
After several unsuccessful attempts to garner support in the Deccan, Prince Khurram finally decided to make peace with his father. Did you see that? Yes. എന്താണ് അവര് ഡെക്കാനിലേക്ക് മൂവ് ചെയ്തു എന്ന് നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞു. അവിടെ അവർക്ക് സപ്പോർട്ട് ഒന്നും കിട്ടിയില്ല. സപ്പോർട്ട് ഒന്നും കിട്ടാത്ത അവസരത്തിൽ അവരെന്ത് ചെയ്തു? അവിടുന്ന് മൂവ് ചെയ്യാന്ന് ഡിസൈഡ് ചെയ്തു. മൂവ് ചെയ്യാന്നല്ല, എന്താണ് എംപറർ ജഹാംഗീറുമായിട്ട് ഒരു കോംപ്രമൈസ് ചെയ്യാന്ന് അവർ ഡിസൈഡ് ചെയ്തു. പ്രിൻസ് ഖുറാം ഡിസൈഡ് ടു മേക്ക് എ കോംപ്രമൈസ് വിത്ത് എംപറർ ജഹാംഗീർ. ഓക്കെ. Is it clear? Yes. Then we have only 2 more minutes. Any doubts regarding this portion?
No, miss.
Okay. I will ask some questions. Where this Gul Mahal situated?
in the middle of lake at Udaipur.
In the middle of lake in Udaipur.
Udaipur. Yes, very good.
Udaipur.
Yes. What was the name of Dara's brother? Payal. What was the name of Dara's brother?
Aurangzeb.
Yes, Aurangzeb. Then next one. Who was the Rana of that Mewar? Rana of Mewar. What was the name of Rana of Mewar? Adira. Who was the Rana of Mewar? Name of Rana of Mewar.
Names miss ade.
Who was Rana of Mewar? You can see the name of Rana of Mewar in your textbook.
33.
Page number 33. Okay, any other?
Prince Miss
Okay, not Prince Khurram, Adira. Prince Khurram is the father of Dara and Aurangzeb. Okay, Sri Vishnu.
Rana Karan Singh.
Rana Karan Singh of Mewar. Okay, that is name of Rana. Adira, page number 33. In that paragraph, I am happy to stay here at the palace. That paragraph you can see Rana Karan Singh of Mewar. Okay, our time is going to end. We can continue our lesson in your next period. Okay. Today you will have no science period. Okay.
Bye, miss.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, miss. For this beautiful